How to fix ad blockers violate YouTube terms of service. Hi everyone, this is Kit and welcome back to another video. And in today's video we will see how we can fix the error that is ad blockers violate YouTube terms of service. So without any further delay, let's get started with this video. The first solution is to go and open a private or incognito window to solve your issue. So to do that, navigate to top right corner and click on this three dot. From here, go to new incognito window, and from here you can visit YouTube and watch the video, which will help you fix the problem. The second solution is to add the extension so that you can block ads. So in order to add extension, navigate to this extension icon from the top right corner, click on it, and then click on manage extension. So from this page, navigate to the left hand side and click on Chrome Web Store, and in the search bar search for AdScape Master for YouTube. So you have to add this extension to your Chrome. Click on Add to Chrome and then click on Add Extension. Now, once you have added this extension to your Chrome, you can go back to YouTube and then you can play any video without ads having to block the YouTube terms of services. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.